Hey guys, welcome back, and we have a new topic for you today: expanding and simplifying algebraic expressions. Stay tuned. Good morning, everyone. Today we're looking at expanding and simplifying expressions. And so we're going to be looking at expanding single brackets first, and then we look at expanding double brackets. Now, the method that we use to expand or multiply is called the distributive property of multiplication. Now, for the distributive property, what we do is we take the term that is outside the bracket and multiply it by the terms that are inside the bracket. So here we have a 2 outside, and we have x plus 3 inside the bracket. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to be drawing arrows to show how we actually multiply. We multiply 2 times x first, and we get 2x, and we multiply the 2 by the 3, and that's a positive 3, and we get 6. So that's it for the first question. So when we expand 2 times x plus 3, we get 2x plus 6. Let's look at another example. Just erase this. What if we had negative 3 multiplied by y squared, take away 2? Now, if we should multiply negative 3 times y squared, we're going to get negative 3y squared. Let me write that 2 properly. And when we multiply negative 3 by negative 2, we get a positive 6. So we have to remember our signs when multiplying. So when we multiply two negative numbers, we end up with a positive number. When we multiply negative times a positive number, we end up with a negative result. Alright, so that's it for the 2 examples. Okay, so we're going to extend the question a bit, and we're going to put 2 plus 4 times x cubed. Erase that. Alright, let me just leave it as x. So 2 plus 4 times x plus 3 take away 2. Now, since you say we're using the distributive property, what we're going to have to do is, we cannot add this 2 plus the 4 first, right? So we have to first expand the bracket, and then we work with the 2 at the beginning and the 2 that comes after. So we have to use the 4, multiply it by the x, as well as the 3. Alright? So we're going to put back the 2 since we're not ready for it. And then we're taking a positive 4 to multiply by x, so we get a positive 4x. Then we're also going to take a positive 4, multiply it by the 3, we get positive 12. And then now we're going to put back the minus 2 there. Alright, so we're going to now simplify the expression here. Now, in order to simplify, we have to group like terms. Now, like terms have the same variables and the same powers. So in this case, we only have one term with a variable, and that's 4x. So we're going to write back 4x. We're going to put it at the front. And then now we're going to group the numbers without letters. So we have 2 plus 12, and that's going to be 14. So we add the 2 and the 12, we get 14. And then 14 take away 2, we're left with a positive 12. So that is our answer. Let's look at another example, and this one involves some powers. Alright, so in laws of indices, we'd have learned that when we're multiplying same base numbers, we just add the powers. Alright, now p squared multiplied by p the power for the p here, even though we can't see it, it would have been a 1, right? So p squared times p would give us p cubed if we should add the powers. And p squared times a positive q squared, what we're going to be doing is just combine the letters with their powers. So we end up with p squared q squared as our answer. Alright, so that's it for today's class. We're looking at expanding brackets, and we looked at expanding single brackets today. So I'm going to be leaving you guys with some questions to do on your own, and you can share your answers with me in the comment section. Okay, so here I'm leaving with you guys 5 questions to do, and as I said, you can share your answers in the comment section of this video. Thank you very much, and see you guys in our next video where we look at expanding double brackets. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to never miss a video.